ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Hadien ke Shah Hiar Thma haki Runar hiki mar ki mata jangka sarkar berkenthop nadu ki kali bar ki police station u deputy commissioner ke East Khasi Hills district u Sibhi Chakrabarti Sadhu lapentep ba ki Pulit ke Pynkhlaiñ ki bor Pahara ha ka por Miet. Habi kiran bekla patai khubor u DC ulayat ho ba ki Pulit ke persang ban itho dor khmat ya ki Runar ki blah Hiar Thma ban kuang petrol bomb ba lapentep ru ba ya ki kali sarkar berol ada ban betha bekinda set haki jaka basngan.
In fact, this also was discussed last night only with SP. So we are, in fact, strengthening the entire security arrangement during night time, and SP has prepared a contingent plan on this. So by today evening, we are discussing both SP and we are discussing on what action we have to initiate, and in terms of identifying the culprits who are perpetrating this kind of attacks. And we will update again this evening only. So in fact, we have taken for this government properties and particularly for government vehicles, we have informed all line department to keep their vehicles and the property in a secured way, particularly not to keep in open areas, particularly vehicles. And all these government properties from last night onwards, all these government properties, particularly police stations, where we have strengthened the security arrangements there. So we are hopeful that in the next 1 or 2 days we can stabilize things, particularly with regard to law and order. We are forming a joint committee of our office, Defence Estate Office, and from Police and Municipal Board, and we are sending a team. So in addition to this law and order report that we are getting from the police, so as soon as we go for field inspection and verification, we will take immediate action to ensure that these activities should be stopped this week.